Toyota Indonesia might have just given us the surprise of the year as it rolls out its first teaser images of what we expect could be the next generation Innova. Based on the teaser images released by Toyota Indonesia, we can now reimagine the new look of the next generation Toyota Innova Hycross, which is rendered by Andrew Guerrero. Up front, the next generation Innova continues to use the recognizable trapezoidal grille present in other Toyota models. The sides appear to be less cluttered than those of its smaller Avanza and Velo siblings. As for its rear styling, there aren't many details yet, but expect it to stray far from the brand's design language. On the other hand, this rendering from Andre Febrian shows two versions of what could be the design of the third generation of the Innova Hycross. The first one is the top-of-the-line variant, and the other is the V variant, both of which are hybrid versions. According to rumors, the next generation Innova will move to a version of Toyota's front-wheel drive TNGA platform, and if this is true, it could have the 1.8-liter gasoline mill found in the hybrid versions of the Corolla Altis and Corolla Cross. As for its release date, no one knows it yet, but expect the next generation Innova to make its debut very soon, in November 2022.